Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is for Razak at CM Trading. Today is September 24, 2019, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the major economic events of the day, just one event coming out later today out of the United States. It's a consumer confidence number. Now, this is a very important number. I would say it's one of the top three most important numbers of the month. So you do want to look and anticipate this news. Now, looking at the markets before this big number, Euro and British pound trade lower, while we're looking at the Dow Jones trading at 27,000-ish. Looking at the indices, it really just oil tapering off and gold staying afloat. Not much of a change there. And lastly, looking at the stocks, we got a mixed bag. So before this number, we have like this kind of mixed situation right now. Okay, the bank stocks are really strong, but some of the high-tech stocks are very sluggish of recent. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So we're taking a look here at the Euro USD, and we kind of faltered yesterday after ECB President Draghi spoke yesterday, and you could see that we're trading almost at our lows. Okay, we bounced off this 109.70-ish level to 189, about 20 pips right now above it. But if this does falter today, okay, as this number comes out, if the markets get weaker, then we could see this actually turn for the worse on the downside. So keep an eye on this later today as this actually continues to trade throughout the day. Now, GBP USD, it stopped selling off, okay, ironically, okay, it is the stronger one of the two. Okay, so we may see a bounce here today, but just be careful on the downside, okay, because this has been really strong recently, but it is looking like it's making somewhat of a short-term correction after this rally. Now, looking at gold. Okay, gold had a nice day yesterday, 1510 to about 1520 right now that we're trading at. It had a nice little pick-me-up there. Now, we are at previous support, subsequent resistance. Okay, there's your previous support, okay, and this is your subsequent resistance. So 1520, if we don't break above it, we may see this correct itself and trade between the 1500 and 1520-ish level. Now, this is really on the back of the fact that a lot of questions are still at play. The markets are strong, yes, but geopolitically, things are still a question mark in the world. Looking at oil, though, we're also hovering just at $58 a barrel. We almost broke it yesterday. It looked like we were going to break that area and get back between this 56 and 51-ish level, but it stayed afloat above it. So still have to see how this ripple effect of this Saudi tanker last week that got bombed is going to have its effect on the markets. Now, looking at the Dow Jones, we're trading at this 27,032 right now. Okay, we bounced from our 26,800-ish level after falling apart from last week of 27,182. So that's a pretty decent move right there. Okay, that's about 500-point move. Now, this is in anticipation to the consumer confidence number. If the number comes out positive and the U.S. economy is engineered, or its engine is the consumer confidence, okay, it's really consumer spending is very, very important in the United States, especially since we're going into Thanksgiving season, which is in November, and then Christmas season at the end of the year. So a lot of eyes are on the markets in anticipation of what's going to happen in the next few months. Now, looking at the bank stocks, JP Morgan strong, okay, all-time highs, 118-ish level. Okay, if we look at Bank of America, also bounced yesterday. But if we look at the tech stocks, they were pretty much dead. Facebook on a weekly basis, okay, let's look at a 4-hour chart, was down a few points, and Microsoft was down a couple points. Okay, nothing to really write home about, but this is a scenario right now, okay, where it's a turning point for Microsoft, okay, because we did gap up, we filled the gap, and now we're at 138. So is this going to bounce above and move higher? Okay, that's what we're looking for today, because this is really going to be a very important level for Microsoft today. This is Fred Razak. I want to wish everybody a great trading day. Thank you.